today's video. So today I'm going to show you how I create this little makeup look on my face, and it's basically just a sort of shimmery halo eye, and I honestly love this look because it really just sort of makes your eyes pop, and yeah, I love it. So I'm going to show you how to make that today, so let's just get straight into it. So I'm going to start off with some green concealer just to get rid of some of the redness on my face. And I just like to blend this in with my finger. So I'm going to start by using my L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Matte Foundation in the colour Sand with my Jessica Jayne 100 brush. These are actually back in stock on my website, so if you want to go check them out, it's just jessicajayncosmetics.com. And I really like using this brush and foundation because it really gives you that sort of flawless base of makeup, and yeah, I really like it. So I'm going to do that first. I kind of just like blob it over my face and then like blend it in. So next I'm going to go in with some concealer. I don't actually know what concealer to use today. So I think I'm going to go in with my Revolution Super Size Conceal and Defined Full Coverage Concealer and just apply that under my eyes and my eyelid. I don't really like applying too much concealer just because I find that it just like, I don't know, it can look quite cakey if you put too much on. So I just apply a little bit of this to my face. So I'm just going to blend that out using my Jessica Jayne 200 brush and just blend that all out. So next I'm going to take my NYX HD Studio Finishing Powder and just apply that under my eyes and all over my face. And then just pop it all over my face. I'm using my Jessica Jayne 300 brush. Oh my god, you guys, if you have not felt this brush, you are honestly missing out. It is the softest brush in the entire world. Like, I literally love it so much. So I'm just going to apply some powder to the rest of my face. It's so fluffy and feels so soft. I literally love it. Right, so I'm going to quickly do my eyebrows. Well, not quickly, because my eyebrows do take me quite a long time. But for my eyebrows, I'm using my Jessica Jayne 620 brush. Oh, I'm just going to use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade and just apply that to my brows. Okay, so now I'm just going to like carve out my brows, and I'm just going to use the Morphe M410 brush and just use the Rimmel Hide the Blemish Concealer. I've literally got like nothing of this left, so I need to get another one, but I'm just going to use that. And then I'm just going to set my brows in place using the L'Oreal Brow Artist Plumper. So now I'm going to apply some contour. Now I'm going to use my Nip and Fab Travel Palette, and I've used this so much I've hardly got any left of the contour shade, but I'm just going to use that and just like kind of like chisel out my cheekbones and just give my face a little bit more definition. I love this contour because it kind of just really matches my skin tone and gives that kind of like shadow effect, so yeah, I really like this one. Oh, and the brush I'm using is the Jessica Jayne 400 brush. A little bit on my nose. Now time for a little bit of blush. So I'm just going to go in with my usual Max Factor Cream Puff blush in 15 Seductive Pink. The brush I'm going to use is my Jessica Jayne 500 brush. So now I'm just going to add a little bit of highlighter, and I'm just going to use my MAC Soft and Gentle. I've literally had this for so many years and I love it. And I'm just going to take my Jessica Jayne 510 brush and just brush some highlighter all over my face. Wow, look at that. That is so pretty. Love it. So I'm just going to take the Huda Beauty palette and take the shade Amber and just use my Jessica Jayne 630 brush and apply that to the crease. So I'm just going to zoom you guys in so you can see a little bit better. Hello. So now I'm just going to take a little bit more of a precise brush, and this is my Jessica Jayne 610 brush. I'm going to take the shade Saffron. So yeah, I'm just going to use this colour to kind of like deepen up the crease and just add a little bit more colour. Dip into the colour Ode and kind of like add a bit more definition to kind of like the outer part of my eyes. So yeah, I'm going to do that next. Also, make sure when you're doing this, you're going in with like a really light hand, so you just kind of like add the tiniest bit of product and blend it out. Some of the darkness in the inner corner because I'm going to go for sort of like a halo eye. So yeah, just add a little bit of dark to this corner bit. So now what I'm going to do is kind of add some concealer to this middle bit where I want the sort of like really sparkly, shimmery bit to be. So I'm just going to apply some concealer here. But what I like to do is I like to use the Revolution Super Size Concealer. And I'll just apply a little bit like here. And then look up. And then this shows you where your crease actually is. So you can kind of blend the concealer upwards, if you can see. So I'm just going to do that to the other side. And then I'm just going to take this Morphe M170 brush and just blend out the concealer up towards the crease. So for the shimmer, I'm just going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette and just take that shade there, the Mir, I think that's how you say it. And I'm just going to use my Jessica Jayne 600 brush and just apply that on this bit of the eye. And then just to blend that in to the rest of the colour, I'm just going to take that angelic colour from the Huda Beauty palette. So what I'm going to do is use my Jessica Jayne 600 brush and take that first colour we used, which was Amber, and just brush that underneath my lower lash line. Now I'm just going to take this really small like Morphe brush. So now I'm just going to use that shade from my Anastasia palette that I used on the middle part of my eye and just apply a little bit of that to my lower lash line. So now I'm just going to quickly apply some eyeliner and some lashes, and that's my eyes done. Almost forgot, I want to add some inner corner highlight just to the inner corners of my eyes. So I'm just gonna use my Revolution Ultra Contour palette, and oh, this is a brand new one. Look how pretty it is. So I'm just gonna use this shade at the top here and just use, oh, I'm dropping everything. And just use my Jessica Jayne 610 brush and apply that to the inner corners. So now it's time for some lipstick. So I'm going to use my Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Lip Pencil and just outline my lips. Then I'm just going to take my NYX Liquid Suede lipstick in 07 and just fill in my lip. And then just over the top of that, I'm going to use my L'Oreal Extreme Resist lip gloss, and this is in 505 Never Let Me Go, and I'm just going to apply that on top of this. So this is the finished makeup look. So thank you all so much for watching today's video, and I shall see you all again very, very soon. Bye!